If you've been scrolling on your phone and suddenly those unbelievably cheap Commisely ads start popping up, sweaters for the price of a samosa, buy 5 get 4 free, and discounts so wild they make you question reality, yeah, you're not alone. And that's exactly why this review matters. Because something about those offers feels a little too magical to ignore. When you dig into the numbers, things start looking interesting. The site proudly flashes 3,000 plus 4.8 reviews. But the domain itself is way too new for that kind of customer history. And the yawa information being hidden behind privacy walls doesn't exactly scream transparency. Even the return policy comes with a suspicious insert return address placeholder, which raises eyebrows for anyone expecting a smooth refund process. Then you check the trust score websites and see ratings dipping as low as 8/100ths, which isn't a great sign but also doesn't immediately confirm anything, just adds another question mark. Their massive buy more, save more deals look exciting on the surface, but when the discounts get too extreme, it starts to feel like the kind of pattern you see on pop-up stores or short-term dropshipping sites. Tracing their hosting and contact info doesn't reveal much either, just generic service providers and vague email contacts with no real-world presence to support their brand identity. And although the platform is overflowing with glowing reviews, you won't find verified buyers praising them anywhere outside their own website, which is unusual for a store claiming such massive sales volume. So, is Commisely a budget-friendly fashion breakthrough or just another digital mystery wrapped in colorful discounts? At this point, the results don't point clearly in either direction, but they definitely raise enough red flags to make anyone think twice before hitting add to cart.